Hi kids. Oh no, what happened? Let's arrange letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H,
Now I know my ABCs. Next
I,
time, won't you sing with me?
J,
A B C D E
K,
F G H I J K L M N O P
L,
Q R S T U V
M,
W X Y and Z.
N,
Now I know my ABCs.
O,
Next time, won't you sing
and
with me?
P, Q, R, S, T, U, B, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay.